Well, hello everyone. Again, this is Mr. Lopez walking you through your next assignment for math, and we are looking at 13.5 problem solving, two-step problems, and we're going to use some strategies to help you act it out to solve the two-step problems. Make sure that you follow along as I go and explain the first example, the unlock the problem, because this will be the guide that you're going to use to solve the rest of the questions. They're going to be similar to this, so if you understand the process, you're going to be good to go. And what you need to understand right now, if you look at the question in its entirety as a whole, it's going to seem very daunting. It's going to look like it's very confusing. But if you break it down and use the information that you're given and work through it in a sequential, logical order, you're going to find out that they're not that difficult once you learn the strategy to solve these problems. But for sure, you're going to have to show your work, because doing these with mental math, it's not going to work. There's way too many factors that you have to work with, and if you try to do it without showing your work, you're going to have difficulties. So follow along as I work these out. If you want to pause it before I explain this page here and check to see how you did, that's fine. If you want to follow along with me, that's fine too, so long as you understand the process. So let's go ahead and start. So we're going to look at the question here. Madeline bought 2 packs of pens and a notebook for $11. The notebook cost $3. Each pack of pens costs the same amount. What is the price of 1 pack of pens? And again, if you look at it as a whole, it's like, what are they asking me? How am I going to solve this one? Well, it's very easy. So let's just look at what we have. Okay. So what do I need? What I need to find the price of 1 pack of what? Well, it's right here. 1 pack of pens. I'm sorry, because I'm still using this mouse here and it's not cooperating. So how much did Madeline spend in all? Well, she bought 2 packs of pens and a notebook for $11. So I know she spent $11 here. She bought how many packs of pens? Well, it's right here. 2 packs of pens. And how many notebooks? Well, she only bought 1 and a notebook. About 1 notebook. How much did the notebook cost? It's right here. Notebook cost $3. So notice I work everything out here. I set this up right now. Now, when you work these problems out in the next few questions, you're not going to have this laid out. This is the thought process that you have to do in your head and what you write down to work it out. So what is my plan or strategy? You're going to use the information to work out the problem. So the first thing you do, it says to use counters and then take away 3 counters, but let's just look at the numbers here. I like to look at this. What's the total cost? How much did everything cost? Well, I start with that first. It cost $11. How much did the notebook cost? The notebook cost $3. So that's going to give me the price, the cost of the 2 packs of pens, because I'm going to subtract the total cost and the cost of that notebook, that 1 notebook. So if 11, subtract 3, you get an answer of 8. So I know that 2 packs of pens cost $8. So you next make an array with the 8 remaining counters to show the cost of 2 packs. So you can make an array. Okay, 2 packs of pens, 1, 2, and you know that 2 packs of pens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many packs were there? 2. Okay. And if I get 8, I divide it by 2 equals what? If I get 8, I'll divide it by 2, it equals 4. So each pack of pens cost $4. So each pack, so 8 You divide that by 4. Okay. And that equals 2. Sorry, you divide 8 divided by 2. I'm sorry. 8 divided by the 2 packs of pens. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So the price of 1 pack of pens is $4. Forget to put your number sign there. Okay? So notice what we did. We took the total cost, which was 11. We subtract the cost of the 1 notebook, which was $3. We came up with 8. We know that 2 packs now cost $8. We know that she bought 2 packs. So there's my equation right there. 8 divided by 2 and equals 4. So each pack of pens costs $4. So again, start with your total and then work with whatever information they're given. Okay, nice work. How do we do? Thumbs up? Yes? Takes practice. Let's practice again. Okay, let me get this set. So, again, Chad bought 4 packs of t-shirts. He gave 5 t-shirts to his brother. Now, Chad has 19 shirts. How many t-shirts were in each pack? All right. What do I need to find out? Yeah. This goes here. What do I need to find out? How many t-shirts were in each pack? What are you given? Well, Chad has 19. He has 19 right now. Okay. He gave 5 to his brother. Gave. Okay. And he bought 4 packs. He bought 4 packs. Okay. He bought 4 packs. Now I want to know how many of these shirts were in 4 packs. What is my plan or strategy? Well, my plan or strategy here is I'm going to use this information here to solve my problem. That's my strategy, and I already set it up here. So let's work this out. So he has right now. Again, we start with a total, just like we did before, 19. Now we know he gave 5 away. So if he gave 5 away, that means he had those before. So if he has 19 now and he gave 5 away, how many did he start off with? He had 24. Yes, because 19 plus 5 is 24. Because now he has 19, but he gave 5 away. It says he bought 4 packs, then he gave 5 t-shirts. He took out 5 of those, opened up a pack, and he gave 5. Then he has 19 left over. See, so in order to find out how many were in those 4 packs, we add those 2 numbers, 19, the 5 that he gave away. So now we have a total of 24. We know how many packs did he buy. We know he bought 4 packs. And if you could already see it right now, I got 24 total t-shirts divided by how many packs? 4. And what's your number? 24 divided by 4? 6. So how many t-shirts were in each pack? 6 t-shirts were in each pack. Okay. Now how can I be sure? I can check my answer by multiplying 6 times 4 and get a total. And then subtract the 5 that he gave away. And I should come out with 19, and lo and behold, I do. So that's how I can check. I have 24 total, and he gave 5 away, so he should have 19 left, and sure enough, 19. Okay, I hope that was easy to follow, and that's this answer here. How can you use multiplication? I just did that one right now. I multiplied 6 times 4 to get 24, the total number of shirts. And I subtracted the 5 that he gave away to his brother. Was it to his brother or to his friend? To his brother. And that equaled 19. So let's look at question number 1 and share and show. Now they're kind of here because they give you all this right now. So all we do is going to plug in what's in there. So circle the question. So let's read it first. Mac bought 4 packs of toy cars. Then his friend gave him 9 cars. Okay. Now Mac has 21 cars. How many cars were in each pack? So circle the question. How many cars were in each part? Underline the important facts. Well, 4 packs of toy cars. Friend gave him 9. And now he has 21. And yours will look much neater than this because I'm using this mouse. So what's my total first? Well, I know he has 21. And again, we always start with our total. There's your 21. Cars given to Mac. How many cars were given? Then his friend gave him 9. His friend gave him 9 cars. Okay. Right. Then his friend gave him 9 cars. Now Mac has 21 cars. Cars given to Mac. So 21 minus 9. Oops. Hold on. I'm sorry, I'm back. Boys and girls, I had a little issue over here at home. Alright, where were we? 21 minus 9. Okay. That equals 12. Right? So, that gives us how many cars were in 4 packs. So I have 12 total. Now then, divide the number of each cars in each pack. So I have 12 cars in 4 packs. So I have 12. How many packs do I have? 4. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. So there were 3 cars in each pack. Okay. And again, if you have any questions, go back, replay the video. So, what if Mac bought 8 packs of cars, and then he gave his friend 3 cars? Mac now has 13 cars. How many cars were in each pack? All right, it's simple. Simple. What do I know? Here's the question. What do I know? Mac has 13 cars. He gave 3 to his friend. If he gave 3 to his friend, he started off with a total of 16. And he bought 8 packs of cars. Divided into 8 equal groups. 8. 16 divided by 8. So 2. The answer is 2 here. Notice how I did it. See, he has 13 now. But he gave 3 to his friend, so originally he had 16. And they're in 8 packs of cars. So 8 packs. So there's 2 in each pack. Very good. Number 3. Ryan gave 7 of his model cars to a friend. Then he bought 6 more cars. Now Ryan has 13 cars. How many cars did Ryan start with? Alright, let's work it out. This is a question that I'm answering right now. Okay, and these are my important numbers right here. So what do I know? I know that he has 13 right now. Okay. And I know that's your total, right? I know he has 13. Then he bought 6 more cars. Okay. So he gave 7 away. Then he bought 6 more cars. And now, so after he gave 7 away, he bought 6 more. And now he's a total of 17. So he bought 6 more. So 6 plus something, because he gave 7 away. He gave 7 away, so he had those 7 also. Right? And after he gave those 7, he bought 6 more. So now he has 13. Well, 6 plus what equals 13? 7. Lo and behold, how many cars did he started off with? Well, he gave these 7 away. There they are. and he had 7 after he gave those away. So 7 plus 17, I'm sorry, 7 plus 7 equals 14. So he started off with 14 cars. So let's go back and continue. We know the answer here was 14. I hope that was answered carefully with you. If you did it on your own, good job. So again, let's do another one, multi-step. Chloe bought 5 sets of books. She donated 9 books. So out of those 5 sets, she donated 9. Now she has 26 books. How many books were in each set? So what strategy are you going to use? Well, I'm going to use the strategy of working this out and underlining what I know and circling my question. So let's just work it out. Well, let's figure it out. She has 26 now. I know that. How many did she give away? She donated 9. So he had those 9, but he gave them away. I have to figure out how many total books did he start off with before I can figure out how many are in each set. So if he has 26, he gave 9 away. Let's figure out how many originally did he have. That's 26 plus 9. I get 35. I get 35. How many sets did he buy? 5. 35 divided by 5. There's my answer. 7. My answer is 7. How many books were in each set? 7. Notice how you just use the information they give you, work it out step by step, and just analyze it like we just did right now. He has 26 books now, but she donated 9. So, and they were 5 sets that she bought. So again, you just go through the steps and you should be successful, and I know you will be successful. And if you have any other questions, just rewind the video and analyze what we did. You have your daily task assessment to work on today. Make sure when you're done with these that your parents take a picture of this, upload it via RedWeb so I can give you credit for that. Make sure you take your online quiz today, online quiz, and work these out just like we did before. Work it. The steps are the same. You just have to take a little time and understand what they're asking you, and just try it. And we'll see. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will answer those questions individually. Well, thanks for your time. Thank you for listening. Have a great rest of the day.